Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. As always, we're always sharing nothing but love here, sending out nothing but good vibration and good energy to all of you guys out there watching. Much love, because that's all there is, nothing but love. We are made of love, we are here to express and be love, and anything else outside of that is simply just an illusion. Remember, guys, remember, we are living this heavenly life right now. The gates of heaven have already opened. The portals are here. Actually, they've always been here. It's always been open. We've always had access to these heavenly realms, to this higher conscience since day one. Since day one. Remember, guys, you are not separate from God, or you're not separate from nature. Nature lives within us. Nature lives within each and every one of us. You wouldn't be alive if you were not connected to that source of life right now. So realize this, observe this, and let it bring out the best in you. Tap into it. It's real easy. It's starting to get even easier. See, what's been happening is that as time speeds up faster and energy expands and gets pushed faster and the frequency raises, we are remembering these things. And as information, like, this information technology, and, we're evolving technologically so fast, but it's because information is being able to be shared and processed faster than before. So it's not like we are barely creating this new technology of, technology has always existed. It has existed since thousands of years, millions of years. We are barely discovering this in our human form. We are actually rediscovering this in this physical planet Earth. Many other dimensions and galaxies and other life beings have gone through this. This technology that we think is advanced is really nothing. We're still living in Ice Age as far as technology goes. External technologies. The real technology is this physical body. There's no greater technology that will ever be created other than this body that we use this body to create other technologies. So through this vessel, through this interface, this body is what we use to create other technologies. I hope you guys are capturing what I'm saying. So we cannot create anything great out there and amazing before this is great. So all the amazing achievements and whatever, accomplishments that any, individual may have done, they did it through the capabilities and capacity of the technology that they were already home to and housed in. Do you guys get what I'm saying? I'm sure you guys do. So back to the universal God technology, which is not even a technology, but just since that's the word, I guess, that's being thrown out there right now. Technically, there's no other greater mechanical or biological thing we can create other than this physical body. So focus here. Focus in this amazing body that you have. And I'm not saying only focus on this body. This body is only one part of it, but it is the interface to this physical reality that you get to experience this physical realm, and honor that. Honor your godly designed body that is this, and live your heavenly life. Live your best spirit, because it's all here now. It's ready for you to just walk in it. It's here. I mean, it's never not been here. We're just remembering this now. Everybody's just remembering now. Anything that's gonna happen in the next 5-10 years is gonna be just something that's either gonna remind you of who you are or test you to become more of you, who you are, which is your integrity, your heart, your love, your true nature, your divine. Are you gonna let your divine nature be expressed? Are you gonna let your divine heart be shown? Or are you gonna be tested and, go back to the ego and the personal self and the victim and all of that? Is everything that's gonna happen out there gonna, bring you down? Or is it gonna help you really shine and be your true self? It's all happening now. And I hope all of you guys, which I know every single one of you guys that watches this video is either on your way to remembering or have already remembered and are just here looking to have the symbiotic reflection with one another. And for that, that's why I always say Namaste, because I honor the divine in you that is within you, that is within me. And it's all one thing. It's all here. That's just what's happening. As days and years continue to go and the frequency rises, your chemical computer, your brain, is processing information faster, so you're able to, go through whatever lessons you're able to go through faster. You're able to, learn and let go of what doesn't serve you, and, cherish the things that are of value. And those things could be like your family, love, this beautiful earth, fresh air, organic food, and just all the goodness that is here for us to experience. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Hope all of you guys are having a beautiful day, beautiful week, sharing nothing but good energy always, and always peace be with you. Namaste, Amitabha, all is love.